Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best emergency kits is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your household safety and well-being, ensuring you're not caught off guard during unforeseen crises like natural disasters, power outages, or other emergencies that can disrupt daily life and access to essential resources. Number 5. FosPower Emergency Weather Radio A1. This device features a large power bank to keep your essential gadgets charged. It ensures you stay connected even when you're off the grid. Never worry about losing power. You can recharge it using the hand crank, solar panel, or even AAA batteries for ultimate flexibility. It comes equipped with both a reading light and a flashlight. These will help you navigate through the dark during emergencies. Get real-time weather alerts and important news broadcasts from NOAA and AM/FM stations. Stay updated on critical information. This is your go-to device for emergencies, offering power, light, and information. It's designed to keep you prepared and safe. Enjoy peace of mind with our limited lifetime warranty. We stand by the quality and reliability of this essential emergency tool. What we like. This device is your ultimate companion for staying connected and informed during emergencies. With its robust 7,400 mAh power bank, you can keep your essential devices charged, ensuring communication lines remain open. If you're looking for a reliable way to receive critical weather alerts and power your gadgets, this is the one for you. Its multiple charging options, including solar and hand crank, make it ideal for extended outages or off-grid situations. What people say. The water filter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on hikes or in an emergency kit. The water filter effectively removes bacteria and protozoa, providing safe drinking water from natural sources. The kit includes a variety of essential items such as a first aid kit, emergency blanket, and multi-tool, ensuring preparedness for different scenarios. Number 4. Membrane Solutions S1 Straw Water Filter. Enjoy safe drinking water wherever you go. This advanced filter is scientifically proven to remove 99.9999% of harmful bacteria, meeting strict international standards for your peace of mind. Experience superior taste and safety with our triple NSF certification. It ensures lead-free materials, reduces microplastics and particulates, and improves water taste, giving you confidence in every sip. This compact and lightweight filter fits easily into your pocket or bag. It's designed to provide up to 1,320 gallons of clean drinking water, ensuring hydration on all your adventures. Our innovative 5-stage filtration system effectively removes impurities. It utilizes multiple layers of advanced materials, including activated carbon and ultrafiltration membranes, to ensure water purity without altering essential minerals. With a 0.1 micron pore size, it offers exceptional filtration precision. You get a balanced flow rate, making it ideal for outdoor activities, travel, and emergency situations. Crafted from durable, BPA-free materials, this filter is built for reliability. Its versatile design allows compatibility with various water containers, perfect for individual or group use. What we like. Ensure access to safe drinking water wherever you go with this advanced water filter straw. Certified by NSF standards, it removes 99.9999% of harmful bacteria and microplastics, offering peace of mind with every sip. If you are an avid hiker, camper, or traveler who needs a reliable source of clean water on the move, this filter is an excellent choice. Its compact size and long lifespan make it a sustainable and convenient solution for your hydration needs. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a compact design that is easy to store. The functionality is excellent and it performs as advertised. Number 3. Gardener's Basic Survival Vegetable Seeds Garden Kit. Discover a wide variety of easy-to-grow vegetables with over 16,000 non-GMO and heirloom seeds. This complete gardening kit provides everything you need to start your home garden. Our seeds are carefully packed in individual packets to prevent mold and ensure quality. Each packet comes with complete growing and harvesting instructions, perfect for indoor or hydroponic systems. Sourced and packaged right here in the USA, this kit is ideal for ensuring emergency food security. Store them in a cool, dark, dry place for long-term use. Selected for their ease of growth in various conditions, these seeds are perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. They are also great for hydroponics and emergency preparedness. We are confident you'll love your survival garden seeds. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us for a solution. What we like. Secure your food independence with this extensive survival vegetable seed kit. Containing over 16,000 non-GMO and heirloom seeds across 35 varieties, it provides a foundation for growing your own food in any situation. If you are a prepper, a gardening enthusiast, or simply want to ensure long-term food security, this kit is an invaluable asset. It's perfect for establishing a home garden or for bug-out scenarios where self-sufficiency is key. What people say. The water filter is very effective and easy to use, providing clean drinking water from various sources. The first aid kit is comprehensive and well organized, containing all the essential supplies for immediate medical needs. The emergency radio has a built-in hand crank and solar panel, ensuring power even without electricity. Number 2. Thrive Home Essentials First Aid Kit. Introducing the Thrive Home Essentials First Aid Kit, your go-to solution for unexpected injuries. It's packed with everything you need to handle common medical emergencies at home. This extensive kit contains 291 essential items, ensuring you're prepared for a wide range of situations. From minor cuts to more significant injuries, we've got you covered. It includes multi-sized bandages to perfectly fit any wound, along with gauze and tape for secure dressing. You'll find everything necessary for effective wound care. Beyond bandages, this kit is equipped with antiseptic wipes for cleaning, scissors for precise cutting, and gloves for safe handling. It also features a soothing ice pack for swelling. Keep your family safe with this all-in-one first aid solution. It's designed for convenience and reliability, making it an indispensable addition to any household. What we like. Be prepared for any minor injury or medical emergency with this comprehensive first aid kit. Packed with 291 essential items, it covers a wide range of needs from minor cuts and scrapes to more significant injuries. If you need a complete and organized solution for your home, car, or outdoor adventures, this kit offers everything you need to respond effectively. Its durable bag ensures all contents are protected and easily accessible when seconds count. What people say. The water filter is highly efficient and removes 99.9999% of bacteria. The solar charger can fully charge a smartphone in about 4 hours under direct sunlight. The emergency radio has a built-in flashlight and can receive AM/FM WB bands. Number 1. Swiss Safe 10-Pack Mylar Emergency Blankets. Discover the ultimate survival gear designed to keep you warm. These blankets are engineered to retain 90% of your body heat, blocking out rain and snow. They are perfect for any emergency, outdoor adventure, or as part of your car's first aid kit. Take warmth wherever you go. Built with military-grade materials, these blankets are ultra-compact and fit easily into backpacks or vehicles. They are the perfect travel companion for hiking, camping, or unexpected weather. Experience heavy-duty protection without the weight. These blankets are constructed from durable materials, designed to be hard to rip and offer reliable defense against wind and rain. They are essential for any survival kit. Stay dry and protected no matter the weather. These thermal blankets are waterproof and versatile, perfect for use as ground cover, shelter, or to protect your gear. They are indispensable for all outdoor activities. Get more value with your purchase. Each pack includes a bonus space blanket, a compact version of our emergency blankets. It offers the same heat retention and waterproof benefits in a smaller size, perfect for your glove compartment or go bag. What we like. Stay protected from the elements with these essential emergency Mylar blankets. Designed to retain 90% of body heat, they are crucial for preventing hypothermia in cold or wet conditions. If you are looking for lightweight, portable, and highly effective survival gear for camping, hiking, or your emergency car kit, these blankets are a must-have. Their waterproof and windproof design ensures you stay warm and dry, making them indispensable for any outdoor enthusiast or prepper. What people say. They are lightweight, compact, and incredibly effective at retaining heat. The quality of these blankets is excellent. They are made from durable materials and are easy to clean. The reflective surface does a great job of trapping heat, keeping you warm even in the coldest conditions. Made from durable and tear-resistant Mylar material, they are designed to withstand harsh conditions and provide reliable insulation. The blankets effectively reflect and retain up to 90% of body heat, ensuring that you stay warm even in cold environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.